Welcome back, everybody. Today I'll be teaching us on road construction, how to calculate for road construction, and I'll be breaking them down into different stages and parts. I'll be sharing my screen now. Before we start, we'll be looking at different components that we need to understand before we start our calculation. First of it is called project information and requirement. Before you start your calculation, you have to look out for the kind of road that you'll be calculating for. Is it an highway, urban street road? Is it a real estate road or a rural road? You need to know. The second is site investigation. You need to have the result of the topographical survey of the road. The next is the design standard and codes. Follow local or international guidelines such as the Federal Ministry of Works for highways, manual, and the rest. The next is your road geometry, which is your carriageway, your shoulder. I would show you pictorial pictures for the explanations of your carriageway and your shoulder. The next is your pavement structure. You need to know the structure of your pavement, and one of it is called the subgrade. The next is called your sub base. Third is your base course. The fourth is your surface course, which is your asphalt. That is your final layer. Then your taking off list will have our earthworks, we'll have our pavement layer, we'll have our drainage structure, and then we'll have our itinerary, which is your curbs, your road signs, and your marking. Depending on the kind of road will determine if you'll be taking off for all of these lists. So I'll be explaining road pavement. So from our pictorial drawing here, you discover that the first is your subgrade. It's 150 to 300 mm. The next is our sub base. The thickness is 100 to 300 mm. The third is our base course, which is 100 to 300 mm. The fourth is our binder course, 50 to 100 mm. And the final one is our surface course, which is our asphalt. The thickness is 25 to 50 mm. So I'll be stopping here so that the video will not be too long. In our next class, we'll start our calculation. Thanks for watching.